where you live.
Well, the warm, dry upper ridge continues to dominate. It's a dome of warmth, and I'll tell you, when I look at this SATRAD, it looks like July, right? Big upper ridge dominating here. And in July, you have clusters of storms that fire along the edge. And then this down here, it almost looks like it's tropical. But this is just an upper low that's in the northern Gulf of Mexico that's drifting northward. But underneath that ridge, it is very warm. There's a lot of sinking air that's warming, and it's drying out tremendously. So for us tomorrow, it's another very warm day. It's 81 for the high. We'll be near 80 to the low 80s, southwest wind, not quite as windy as it was today, but the air will still be very dry. So the fire threat will still be elevated tomorrow. 83 once again at Winamac, 83 at Wheatfield, 81 Flora, Delphi, Lafayette, Monticello, Chalmers, 82 towards Pine Village, and we'll get up to about 82 in Fowler. Friday, a little more cloudiness comes in. We start to moisten things a little bit. The winds will be out of the south-southeast. It's partly cloudy. It's an 80-degree high after 54 in the morning. And then you see the highs, 77 to 81. Not as much orange on the map because of more cloudiness. 80 Rensselaer, 81 Morocco, 79 Flora, 78 at Logansport. Here is Futurecast. Again, notice all the sun tomorrow, few clouds, and then a little more cloudiness on Friday. Then we watch what's headed our way from the west Saturday. This is Saturday, 5 p.m. There will likely be a line of storms out here developing along the Mississippi River that moves east. Some of the parameters do suggest marginal to slight risk kind of setup for the area. So be aware there could be a couple severe storms potentially Saturday evening. Then that little line moves on. And then Sunday's just a very windy, cooler day. Temperatures low 50s, cool Monday, light freeze Tuesday morning, but this is a warm front already on the move northward. And with that warm front, it warms right back up next week. Again, this is severe cast, just to give you an idea where the severe weather threat will be. This is more marginal. I would say this would be kind of like a slight kind of Storm Prediction Center thing. And then you see some of that severe weather risk get in here Saturday evening. So we'll keep an eye on it. We've got Springfest at Purdue on Saturday. So it would be later on in the day when we'd have some of these storms. Very windy on Sunday, cooler, windy, cooler on Monday. There's that light freeze Tuesday morning. And look at that, we're back to the warmth by late next week.